Patrick asks, what do you like to see in a new graduate applying with zero experience? What can I do to stand out? Now, I think some of the items you mentioned previously, Kyle, would apply.
Be open to the fact that you may try something different. You may go somewhere else in terms of your career. But, I think someone who turns up and sort of says, don't know where I'm going, don't know what I want to do, but I'm up for anything,
Right.
But at the same time, someone who can actually talk about saying, I want to specialize in data, or I want to specialize in financial crime, or I've always had an interest in that, and to be able to talk about it with, a level of enthusiasm and excitement. I think so. Have a think about, something that you believe in and that you want and a desire that you might have for progressing your career. It shows that you've thought about it, going forward, rather than, just rocking up and hoping for the best.
For sure, for sure. At least have a little bit of an inkling of what you want to do, even on a short horizon, but you walk in with a plan.